What did the great Aristotle have in mind when he defined the three rhetorical appeals pertaining to the art of persuasion? Ethos is defined as the art of knowledge and credibility. Character has a big part to play in this persuasion. Logos is defined as the content of a position and its organization of logic and evidence. Pathos is defined as the rhetoric approach to our audience's values and beliefs, being emotionally swayed to favor what the speaker is expounding on or expounding about. The two examples I chose today, first being a print ad in 1989 by America's Dad, Bill Cosby. And in this print ad, Bill is trying to get America to buy Jell-O pudding pops and feed their children Jell-O pudding pops. This ad is specifically centering on ethos and pathos. The ethos is you have America's Dad, Bill Cosby, expounding on why we should buy Jell-O pudding pops and why we should eat Jell-O pudding pops, while using pathos to appeal to our eye, to appeal to our emotions. That here he is with a nicely decorated box of Jell-O pudding pops in one hand and a unwrapped, ready to eat Jell-O pudding pop in the other hand, with America's Dad, Bill Cosby, telling you to eat this Jell-O pudding pop. Why wouldn't we? Ethos in this commercial would not be in effect had Bill Cosby made this commercial in 2024, being that his character and his moral sense of compass was now lost on America. But in 1989, this ad had much appeal. My second ad is LeBron James. In 2019, he did an ad, one of Sprite. And in this ad, he again uses ethos and pathos to illustrate why you should want to drink a Sprite on a hot day when you're eating hot foods, without LeBron James actually telling you to drink a Sprite. The whole ad was built around, I can get you to drink an ice cold Sprite because it looks so appealing. Because you're eating hot food and you're sweating, and I'm walking around with an ice cold Sprite in my hand that's dripping, that looks so cold and inviting. Because I am LeBron James, and I'm telling you, and I'm holding a Sprite. Isn't that what you want? It appeals to our ethos and our pathos. This ad, again, not so much our logos, because how logical is it to want to search for a Sprite when you're really thirsty and you need something cold and refreshing? An ice cold glass of water would do the trick. But in this instant, LeBron James is peddling and selling Sprite, even if he does not tell you you need to pick up a Sprite. It's a very effective ad in the use of ethos and pathos that he displayed. These are my two examples of the rhetoric used in persuasion ads.